Hello everyone, welcome to the Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is access modifiers. First, we need to discuss what is access modifier. We need to understand the access modifier. Because methods and variable members are usually given access control in exactly the same way, whereas the class can use just two of the four access control levels. Members can use for all. That means suppose access modifier means main we are using, we need to access to some of the particular area. Can take any area. In that area we need to give the access. Suppose you can take example of school. In that school we are providing the access to the particular students. 10 students is there, we need to provide the access of 10 students. Teachers is there, student restricted some places, teachers restricted some places, students giving access to some places, teachers give access to some places. Like that we are giving the restrictions and providing the access. Like that here Java also using some of the access modifiers. That means you can provide the access in some particular places only. That's why we are using access modifiers. Access modifiers. This is another name is access specifiers. Access specifiers and access modifiers both are same names. Don't confuse. Access specifier also getting 4 access specifiers. Access modifier also getting 4 access modifiers. What are the access modifiers means? Public, private, protected, default. These are the access modifiers or access specifiers. We can discuss one by one access modifiers or access specifiers. Now you can take public access modifier. In this public access modifier, public members of a class are accessible everywhere outside the class. So any other program can read them and use them. See, now better understanding purpose we can discuss with example. Public access modifiers. You can take example of India. In this India, using different type of ID cards. That means Aadhaar card, PAN card. This type of government ID proofs is providing Indian government. Now you can take Aadhaar card. In Aadhaar card, we can access anywhere. We can accept anywhere. Suppose you can go to mobile store. You can take SIM. You can provide Aadhaar card. That store will provide the mobile SIM card. That means which type mobile operator we need, the store will provide that the type of SIM providers. Suppose I will take Aadhaar card, I will go to Tamil Nadu state. I am take same Aadhaar card, but my Aadhaar card registered in AP. But I am taking SIM from Tamil Nadu. Similarly, I will take SIM from Karnataka. Same Aadhaar card. That means that Aadhaar card will accept anywhere in India. That means here also public members can accept anywhere in the application. In the application, you can read anywhere in public members of the class. You can access anywhere in the project. That means application. This type of purpose we are using public access modifier. That means public access modifier we can access anywhere outside the class, inside the class, anywhere you can access. Example is Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card can acceptable anywhere in India. You can go any place in India, different states is there. You can go any states, Aadhaar card will accept. What we need, we can take based on other code. Like that here, public access modifier also is working. We can take another access modifier. That another access modifier is private access modifier. Private members of a class are not accessible anywhere outside the class. They are accessible only within the class by the method of that class. Private access pair we can accept with only inside the class only, not outside the class. This means private means you can restrict. Suppose you can take example of internet connection. Suppose we are taking one operator, geo operator internet connection we are taking. In that geo operating internet connection, taking in the house, that means that internet connection should accept inside the house people only. Outside the out person should not accept that internet connection. Okay, like that here also private members we can accept only inside the class only. Outside the class cannot accept. Suppose you can take another example also. You can take ID cards. That ID cards also, school ID cards or company ID cards, anything, any ID cards we are using inside the school ID cards. You can take school ID card. Inside the school only that ID card will accept. Outside the school that ID card is not valid. Okay, like that. Private access modifier rules is private can be applicable only variables and methods. We can applicable only variables and methods. Private variables should not apply to classes. This purpose we are using private access modifier. We can discuss another one, protected access modifier. A protected access modifier, the protected members of a class are accessible outside the class but generally within the same directory. Protected members can access it by a subclass in different packages through inheritance. You can take example for a better understanding. This is using for passport. You can take passport. In passport we can acceptable inside the India and outside the India also. That is the identity proof of one person identity proof of passport also. Passport we can go anywhere and you can provide the passport and you can take any services you can provide. That means you can take any services from any store or organization, any place. That is one of the proof. Suppose we need to go outside the India, that means we need to go USA, we need to go Pakistan, we need to go Sri Lanka. That means we need visa. That is on arrival visa or pre-approved visa. We need visa. Here also protected also we can accept inside the class, outside the class, outside the other packages also we can accept, but you can use inheritance concept. Here inheritance means visa, we are talking about visa. Outside the package means outside country, inside the package means inside the Indian country, like that. That means passport can accept inside and outside the country through visa. Inside the country no need visa, outside the country we need visa based on passport. Like that protected access modifier also we can use in Java technology. Protected access modifier can applicable only variables and methods, not classes. Okay, you can remember this one. Next one, last one, default access modifier. If no access specified is written by the programmer, then the Java compiler use a default access modifier. Default members are accessible outside the class but within the same directory, that means package. See, we need no need to declare any variables, no need to declare any keyword, Java keyword. That means previously we are using public, private, protected. We need to use the keyword private, public, protected keyword, and we need to mention in the method level, class level, and variable level. We need to mention, we need to use the keyword, Java keyword. But default, no need to do anything. Just you can write class name, method name, variable name. The Java compiler automatically take this is a default access modifier. That's why this access modifier can accept the acceptable only inside the class only. Suppose you can take any ID card. Suppose you can take any ID card. In that ID card, suppose you can stay, we're living in India. In India, no need to, nobody not asking any ID cards. Suppose we need to go to any organization, or we need to go any store, that means you can buy anything. That time only asking for reference purpose. This person is a Indian or not. Just that is responsible we are asking. Here no need to do. Here we are not taking any passport, we are not taking anything, and we are surviving India. But means we are Indians. Indians means no need to do anything. Just you can survey anywhere. Like that means default decided Indian peoples living in India means that government is decided this person is an Indian person. You can stay in any other country. You can take Malaysia. You can stay in Malaysia. Any police officer will observe this person is not a Malaysian. That means come and ask for visa, passport or visa. But Malaysian people should not ask anything. See and just see, just observe that one. Like that here also, default access file means no need to declare anything. Just you need to declare class method variables. JVM automatically will decide this is a default members. These default members you can accept outside the class, inside the package only. But you can take student or company ID card. Suppose you can take any government or private organization ID cards. That ID card can accept all the branches inside the India. All the branches inside the India, that ID card will accept. That means the total organization that ID card is working. But in outside is not working. Like that default access modifier is working. Some rules is default can be applicable variables, method, classes. 3 places you can use default. That means default means no need to write anything. The Java compiler automatically will take and decide this is a default access modifier. This is a access modifiers. Access modifiers mainly using for we can access the classes. That means you can give the restrictions to the variables, methods and classes. Mainly 4 types of access modifiers is there. One is public, private, protected, default access modifiers. Public means you can access anywhere in the application, that means in the project. Private means you can access inside the class only, not outside the classes. Protected means you can accept inside the class, outside the class and outside the package also through inheritance concept. Default is no need to declare any keyword. JVM will automatically decide this is a default member. That's why this default members can acceptable inside the class, outside the class, inside the package only, not outside the package. This is a access modifiers. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.